Yes, hi friends. In previous session, we are already discussing properties for insertion operation in red-black trees, right? So based on those properties, how to construct a red-black tree, right? So here I am taking some elements. So here based on red-black tree properties, I am constructing red-black tree for those elements, right? So here I am taking some elements 6, 2, 7, 1, 0, 5, 8, 3, 9. So 0, 5, 8, 3, 9, right? So here for these elements I am constructing red black tree, right? So here these rules are already discussed in previous session, right? So here what is the first one? 6. So if tree is empty, so tree is empty, new node is a root node. So new node is a root node. New node is a root node that can be treated as black node. So in red black trees, root node is always black node, right? So what is this step 2? So here I am inserting one more element. Now this is red black tree, right? So here I am inserting 2. So 6. So red black tree follows the BST property. Remember that one. So 2 is less when compared to 6. So that's why we are placing left of 6. Left of 6. This is black. So if the tree is not empty, so here tree is not empty. So that's why inserted node is a leaf node that can be labeled as red. So at each and every time we are inserting a new node into the red black tree, that node can be considered as a red node, right? So here tree is not empty, 6 is there. So here I am inserting new node. That new node must be labeled as a red node, right? So here then parent of new node is black. So parent of new node. So this is the new node. New node parent is black. Then exit. Now this is red black tree. Why? Because so here all the properties are satisfied by the red black tree, right? So BST property, so as well as node RR conflict, as well as every node. So every path from root node to nil node has same number of black nodes. So here 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So same number of black nodes. Now this is red black tree, right? So here what is step 3? So here I am taking one more node. So that is 7. So 7 is greater than 6. So that's why here 7 is placed at right of 6. 6 to 7. At each and every time newly inserted node can be considered as a red node. So here this is the rule. Tree is not empty, new node is a leaf node that can be considered as a red node only, right? So this is red. Why? Because this is newly inserted node. This is already red, right? So root is always black. Fine. Now this is also a red black tree. So here parent of new node is parent of new node. So what is the parent for new node? 6. So parent of new node is black. Then exit. So now this is also a red black tree. This is also a red black tree, right? So what is this step 4? Step 4. So here next element is 1. So 1 is less than 6, less than 2. So that's why we are placing leftmost of 6, left of 2, right? So here now tree becomes like this: 6, 2, 7. So newly inserted node is 1. So that can be labeled as red. That can be labeled as red. This is also red. This is also red. This is black. Now this is not a red black tree. Why? Because so here R and R conflict is occurred. So here this tree violates the property number 4, that is no two adjacent nodes have red color. So that is red parent, red child, or red child, red parent. So here R conflict is occurred, right? So here then check parent of new node is red. So parent of new node. So here new node is this one. Parent of new node, so that is 2, is red. Check parent sibling color. Check parent sibling color. So here new node parent is red. Then check the parent sibling color. So this is the sibling. So this is the sibling. So parent sibling is 7. Parent sibling is 7. So this node is uncle for 1. Remember that one. So this is so here this is the parent for 1. This is the grandparent for 1. This is the uncle. Why? Because so here parent sibling is uncle, right? So here new node of parent is red. Check parent sibling color. So here if parent sibling color is black or null, no, this case is not existed. Parent sibling color is red. So here parent sibling color is red. Then recolor it. So here I am recoloring parent and parent sibling. Parent and parent sibling, right? So here now tree becomes like this. So here first of all new node parent sibling is red. Then we can perform recolor it parent and parent sibling. Again we are checking one more condition. What is that one? So here first of all I am recoloring the parent and parent sibling nodes. 6, 2, 7, 1. So this is red. And I am taking root is always black, na? Right? So here we are recoloring the parent and parent sibling. Why? Because so here parent sibling is red. Parent sibling color is red. So that's why we are recoloring these two nodes. Now this becomes black, this becomes black. Right? So here again check parent of parent new node is not root node. So parent of parent, that is grandparent. So parent of parent is not a root node, then only we can perform recolor recheck. But here parent of parent is root. So there is no need to perform recolor and recheck. Right? So this is red black tree. Now check all the properties of red black trees. So here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 black nodes, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So here I am not writing nil nodes. So after completion of entire insertion, then I am writing the nil nodes, right? So then what is step 4? Step 5. Step 5. So here I am inserting, so 6, 2, 7, 1. 6, 2, 7, 1 is completed. Then I am inserting 0. So 0 is also less when compared to 6, 2, 1. So that's why we can insert left of 1. Left of 1. Now tree becomes like this. 6, 2, 7, 1, 0. So newly inserted node is always represented with the help of red. This is always black, no? So black. So black, 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 red. Right? So here now check parent of, so here third step. So parent of new node is red. So parent of new node is red. So here RR conflict is occurred. So here I am checking new node parent is red. So in such cases we are checking the sibling of parent color, right? So here what is the sibling? This is the sibling, but sibling is null. So here parent sibling color is black or nil. So here parent sibling color is nil. Then we are performing suitable rotations and recolor. So recolor operation is applied on parent and grandparent. Right? So first of all we are performing rotation. So here conflict is occurred for this. So here this is LL rotation. So simply towards move the right. So these rotations are already discussing in AVL trees. Please just go through that video, right? So then only you can understand the rotations. LL rotation, RL rotation, RR rotation, LR rotation, right? So here this is left skewed binary tree. So that's why we are applying LL rotation, moving towards right. Now tree becomes like this. Six, 7, 1, so towards right, 2, 0. Now this becomes, so here 0 is red, 2 is, so 1 is red, 7 is black, 6 is also black, 2 is also a black. So after completion of rotation, tree becomes like this. So after completion of rotation, recolor for parent and grandparent. So what is the parent? 1, grandparent is 2, right? Recolor. So 1 becomes black, 1 becomes black, red becomes black, black becomes red. So here I am performing suitable rotation and recolor for parent and grandparent. Now tree becomes like this. Now check whether the tree is red black tree or not. So this is red black tree. There is no RR conflict. Each node follows the BST property. Root is always black. Each node is labeled with red or black, as well as each path from a root node to nil node is same number of nodes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now this is a red black tree, right? So then I am inserting 0. So 0 is completed now. So 0 is completed. Then I am inserting then I am inserting 5. So 5 is less than 6 but greater than 1, greater than 2. So that's why we are inserting a right of 2. Right? Now tree becomes like this. 6, 1, 7, 0, 2, 5. Sorry. So here 5. Right of 2. Right? So here this is black, this is black, this is also a black, this is also, this is red, this is red. So what is the newly inserted node? What is the newly inserted node? 5. So newly inserted node is always red. So again RR conflict is occurred, right? So in this case check parent sibling color. So parent sibling color is red. So parent sibling color is black or null case, parent sibling color is red. So parent sibling color is red. Parent sibling color is red. Then we are performing recolor it. So here recolor for parent and sibling, right? So here now tree becomes like this. So here 6, 1, 7, 0, 2, 5 now. So here we are recoloring the parent and parent sibling. Now this becomes black, this becomes black. So black, black, black. This is red. So recoloring operation is completed. Then check parent of parent new node is not a root. So parent of parent is not a root. So this is not a root. So that's why we can recolor it. Again we can recolor. So this can be recolor. So once parent of parent is root, we can stop the procedure. But this parent is not a root. So that's why we can apply recolor. Now this becomes R. This becomes R. And again recheck. So parent of parent is root. So that's why we can stop the procedure. Right? So here now check whether the tree is red black tree or not. It satisfies all the properties. No OR conflict. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So all equal number of black nodes from root node to leaf node, right? So here 5 is inserted. Next 8. So 8. So in this I am inserting 8 when compared to 6. 8 is greater. 7 when compared to 7, 8 is also greater. So that's why we are inserting right of 8, right of 7. So newly inserted node is red. So here newly inserted node parent is black, then exit. So newly inserted node is red, then only we are performing these operations. Otherwise there is no need to performing these operations. Simply new node parent is black, simply exit. New node parent is red, then only we can check the sibling colors. So here sibling color is red, then we can recolor the we can recolor the parent and parent sibling. So here parent sibling color is black or nil, we can perform rotation as well as recolor. But here black, we are performing exit operation. Simple, na? Then 3. So this is step 7. So in step 8 we are inserting 3. We are inserting 3. Let us check 6. So when compared to 6, that is less value. So that's why we are moving to left subtree. When compared to 1, greater value. When compared to 2, greater value. When compared to 5, less value. So that's why we are inserting left of 5. Right? Now tree becomes like this. 6, 1, 7, 0, 2, 8. This is 5. So at left we are inserting 3. So here tree becomes like this after inserting this one, right? So newly inserted node is always red, na? Remember that one. So here same colors, black, red, black, black, black. So this is red, this is also red, this is also red, this is also red. So newly inserted node is red. So now check. So RR conflict is occurred. Then we can check parent sibling. So parent sibling is nil. So parent sibling is nil. Suitable rotation and recolor. Parent and grandparent. Right. So here what is the rotation? So here RR conflict. So this is right of left. So this is simply oral rotation. So first of all we are moving towards right, then we are performing left operation, left rotation. So these rotations are already discussing in AVL trees. So before watching this video, compulsory you have to learn about AVL tree rotations, right? So here this is oral rotation. Now so once oral rotation is applied on this tree, so in first step oral rotation moving towards moving towards right. Right? Now tree becomes like this: 6, 1, 7, 0, 2, 8. So moving towards right. Moving towards right. That is 3, 5. Right now. So first in RL rotation, first step has been completed. Right. So here I am labeling all the colors. So 5, 3 are red. 5, 3 are red. 8 also red. 1 also red. So remaining nodes are black nodes. Right. So now this is LL moving towards right. So this is the second step of RL rotation. Right. So now tree becomes like this. Now tree becomes like this: 6, 1, 7, 0, 3, 2, moving towards left, 2, 5, 8. So here 3, 5 are R, 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 R. So here rotation has been completed and recolor of parent and grandparent. So what is the parent of so this one. So here this is the resultant tree, right? So here what is the parent? 3, grandparent is 2. Right? So here we can recolor 3 as well as 2. Right? So this is the resultant one. So after performing rotation, we can recolor the parent and grandparent. Right? So here 3 becomes black, 2 becomes red. 2 becomes red. Right? So here 0 is already black now. This is also black. This is also black. Right? So after completion of rotation, so here rotation is completed. So here what is the parent? So here 3 is parent, 2 is grandparent. Right? So then we can recolor. So 2 becomes red, 3 becomes black. Now check whether the tree is red black tree or not. So here all the operations are complete.